All right, here we have 8326 Shallow Creek Drive. It's a little windy today, so it might be a little noisy. This unit does have the pond right next to it. We'll take a walk over to the front door. This unit is primarily on the second floor. There is a one-car garage here to the left. And the water heater is in here as well. Let's go upstairs. So here we have the dining room and the family room both together. And we have the kitchen. Here is the pantry. To the left, we have the master bedroom. And again on the left, we have the master bathroom. And the closet space. On the other side of the unit, we have the guest bedroom and the guest bathroom and the laundry hookups. The left here is the bedroom. And the closet space. Here is the linen closet. And we do have these balconies. And that concludes the video tour.